Welcome to the Freshservice onboarding demo, where we will walk you through the Zest joiner process. This demo is crafted to exhibit the seamless integration of workflow automation, onboarding automation, and workspaces within Freshservice, making the onboarding journey efficient and engaging. The process involves three key actors: the initiator, represented by our people team, who kickstarts the onboarding by entering the new employee's details and selecting the welcome swag; the approver, the line manager, who selects the necessary software options for the new employee; and of course, the new employee, who personalizes their onboarding experience by selecting email preferences, hardware, accessories, and providing key personal details. Upon completion of these steps, automated tickets are generated for various departments like IT, facilities, and HR to take over and ensure all necessary onboarding tasks are completed efficiently. The automation extends to email creation, facilitated by the Azure app, which then updates the successor tickets with the new employee's email, enabling further onboarding tasks like hardware assignment, software provisioning, and facilities onboarding. This succinct process, powered by Freshservice, ensures that each actor plays their part seamlessly, making the onboarding experience efficient and welcoming for our new team members. The process kicks off with the people team, the initiators, who input the new employee's details into the system. They also select the swag for the new joiner. Here, the service item is being reused from the standard service catalog within Freshservice, adding a personal touch to the welcome experience. Next, the line manager steps in to approve the request and select the software options required for the new employee, ensuring they have the tools necessary to hit the ground running. Now, it's the new employee's turn. They get to personalize their onboarding by selecting their email preferences, choosing their hardware and accessories, providing pension details, uploading an ID badge photo, and providing bank account information for direct deposit. As part of the joining flow, the new employee has the option to provide a preferred name for their email account. This feature adds a personal touch to the onboarding process, allowing the employee to choose an email identifier they are comfortable with, be it a nickname, a middle name, or any variation they prefer. Upon completion of the form, a series of tickets are automatically generated. These include tickets for IT to create a new email, order hardware, and assign software, for facilities to manage facilities onboarding, and for HR to set up benefits and direct deposit. In our example, we have automated the creation of the new email is an automated process powered by the Azure app within the workflow automator. It takes the preferences from the new employee to create the new account and add the user to the appropriate groups. Once the email account is successfully created, the successor tickets for hardware, software, and facilities onboarding are updated with the user's email. This is crucial as the user's identity is required to complete these tasks successfully in a real-world scenario. Following the email account creation, the HR department swiftly moves to complete the direct deposit ticket. The people team agent triggers a confirmation generation using a predefined document template within Freshservice. This document serves as a formal acknowledgement of the successful setup of the direct deposit, ensuring transparency and accuracy in the financial onboarding of the new employee. This demo showcases how Freshservice streamlines the onboarding process, ensuring a smooth transition for both the organization and the new employee. The Zest joiner process is just one of the many ways Freshservice can be tailored to meet your organization's unique needs. As you've seen, Freshservice's robust and intuitive platform significantly simplifies the onboarding process, ensuring a warm and efficient welcome for every new team member. Now, it's your turn to experience the transformation. Get started with Zest and Freshservice today, and elevate your onboarding process to new heights. Visit our website or contact our dedicated team to learn more about how Freshservice can be tailored to meet your organization's unique needs. Your journey towards streamlined, personalized, and engaging onboarding starts here. Don't just onboard, impress and empower with Zest and Freshservice.